Hey, it's Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 9 new companies that are always hiring new work-at-home opportunities and positions. And the best part about most of these top 9 work-from-home opportunities is the fact that they are available worldwide. And what's even more interesting, one of these positions pay over $87,500 per year just for working from home. So if that's something that you're interested in, be sure to stay tuned. Also, before we get started, please go follow me over on Instagram at Benji's Dad Official. I post there pretty much daily, giving you free tips on how you can make money from home as well. And I promise, if you follow me over there on Instagram at Benji's Dad Official, I will personally reach out to you and gift you one of my free trainings on how I'm able to make money every single day. So be sure to go follow me over there at Benji's Dad Official right after you watch this video. So the number 9 place on our list here is interpret.cyricom.com. Now, if you know more than one language, if you're bilingual, if you're trilingual, it doesn't even matter. Just if you know more than one language, you can actually use this place to make some money with a skill that you have already picked up. It's a way to get interpreting jobs for people who are trying to, the language barrier, right? So this is a great website to find these types of jobs, and this is the website right here. Let's go ahead and jump in and I can show you just a few of the opportunities that are available. So from here, interpret.cyricom.com, and I'll be sure to put the link to all of these in the description as well. You're going to click on careers and then open positions right here. So once we get to this page, this is the most important part you need to do. Under location, hit the drop down box and click on remote. Make sure that fully remote, optional work from home, and temporary remote are all checked. And it's going to automatically update here on the other side of the screen. Let's see if we can zoom in just a little bit here. But right here, Cantonese bilingual interpreter, Korean, Mandarin, Karen, and then some more system type jobs right here. But what we're mainly looking at, these jobs are almost always available. I have never actually signed on to this site and not seen at least some type of bilingual interpreter jobs available. You can actually check back quite often. These actually kind of go through really quickly. Right now it's a lot of Eastern languages, but usually stuff like Spanish will pop up, Portuguese, Russian, a lot of those different types of languages will pop up, and they are looking for people who are available remotely, where you can pretty much work on your own schedule. Cyricom.com, interpret.cyricom.com is the first one on our list. Let's go ahead to number 8. Now, number 8 is a pretty cool one, is WilliamsSonoma. So you might be familiar with WilliamsSonoma. They make a lot of homekeeping and house stuff and cooking and glassware and cookware and all of this fun stuff. You see, it's getting close to Thanksgiving here, so a lot of people, that's what they're putting on their site. But what a lot of people don't realize is that if you have any type of decorating experience at all, if you're an interior designer, if you can look at a room and know what to do, that's something that I can't do. But if you can look at a room and tell what needs to go here, what needs to go there, you can actually get a job consulting with WilliamsSonoma. They have remote work available, and let's go ahead and see if we can find it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and at the bottom left hand corner you're going to want to click on careers. And then once you get here, you're going to scroll to the bottom and go to our corporate website, visit our management opportunities at corporate website, and then we're going to click careers. And there's a little video right here. You don't need to really check that one out. And then scroll down to see all job opportunities, view all jobs. All right, so from this position here, I'm going to, in filter or sort, I'm going to put in remote and press enter. And you see they have a lot of remote design studio specialists and home stylists. And you see these are available, in a lot of different places. And you see there's a lot of them here. So let's just click on one and look at the responsibilities. And it says here, perform productive virtual in-home design consultations, which include room plans and estimates. And then they give you all types of real cool technology that you can use with the customers themselves so that they can help visualize and see what it is you're telling them and recommending to them to make their room just look awesome, right? And obviously you're going to be pushing a lot of the WilliamsSonoma products so that it can make their house look even better. But this is a really good opportunity if you're in the design space, if this is something that you happen to be good at. You don't need a ton of experience to do it either. Plus, it's a remote work at home job and you don't have to leave your house if you don't want to. So be sure to go check out WilliamsSonoma.com. Again, I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description so that you can come and check this out. Next up, we're going to go to number 7 on our list, which is CVS Health. Now, if you have any type of health background, if you've worked in hospitals or if you've done other call center type work when it comes to health benefits, as well as insurance, because that's really what this is going to be diving into. You're going to go here to jobs.cvshealth.com. We're going to scroll down. You see that this is one of the top companies to work for in 2021 for remote work. But we're going to go ahead and click on search, and it's going to give us how we can filter our jobs. Right down here, fully remote and WFH or work from home flexible. I'm just going to click on fully remote because flexible is going to give you the option of being able to go into the office. And if you don't want to do that, just make sure that that's unchecked. And when you click it, it automatically puts everything in a nice little spot here. And then again, we're going to go up here to job categories, and we're going to change this to really anything that you think you'd probably do well with. But I would probably go immediately to somewhere like administrative, and then we can scroll down here and we have some administrative assistant, executive assistant positions, but then we have here some good ones. We have patient care coordinators. We scroll down some more, data entry coordinators, clinical support specialists, inbound outbound queue associates. These are all entry level type positions that you can get in with the company, and there's quite a few of these available. There are 2 pages worth of jobs available. A data entry specialist here. So we're going to click on that, scroll down a little bit more to see what is required. And as you can see right here, verifiable high school diploma or GED is equivalent. So you don't need a ton of experience at all. You just need either a GED or your high school diploma in order to apply for these type of jobs and be able to work from home full time, which is probably one of the better things to do nowadays. So that's CVSHealth.com. Be sure to put a link down in the description for that one. So the next one we're going to go to is Adecco, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correct, or Adecco. But Adecco is another really cool site to go to. It's more like what's called a staffing company. So other businesses come to Adecco so that they can find people to fill the positions that they have. So in order to find the job, I would just go to job title right here, and I would type in a word such as remote or virtual or something of that nature. So I'm going to put in virtual. And you see you got a couple right here: customer service agent, customer service associate. Let's go ahead and just click on this one and find the job. And here you just got quite a few that are available: virtual customer service agent, associate customer service agents, and you see some of these pay around $12 an hour, $15 to $16 an hour. That's probably the highest that we've seen so far. What, around 50? Here's one for $17 an hour. It just depends on where the job happens to be. They hire from anywhere. You don't necessarily have to be in the area to get these jobs. Just apply, and you'll be able to get a job at one of these places. But Adecco, again, is a great place to find a job fast and quickly, and it's all 100% remote. You see here over 2,300 jobs are available. So I mean, you only need one person to say yes in order for you to get a job, right? There's plenty of opportunity here for you to apply so that you can make some good money. Also, just a quick reminder, if you do find this information valuable, please click the like button. It really helps push this video out to a newer audience and other people who are looking for other work from home opportunities too. So if you're getting any type of value in this, please click the like button and I'd appreciate it. So number 5 on our list is Alorica. Now, Alorica is one of my favorite places because, number one, it's a global brand that works with a lot of different companies. So what Alorica does in a nutshell is they can handle the customer service aspect of your business for you. But other than just doing that, you can become a customer service rep to help with all of these businesses that Alorica already contracts out with. And again, it's available in, I believe, over 15 countries this is available in. But let's go ahead and look at some of the things that Alorica has to offer when it comes to their work from home opportunities. And let's go ahead and click on careers and see work globally. And we have North America, Latin America, the Caribbean, Asia Pacific, Europe, corporate. We're going to click on work from home. So are you an Alorca employee? You're going to say no, and then choose your state. I'm just going to choose a random state here and look at work from home jobs. All right, so here on this list of jobs, there's a trick to this. So there are a few that says that you have to be in Alabama, Mississippi, Florida, Georgia, whatever, in order to get these jobs. But if you notice, there's a couple that don't have that kind of thing, right? So all you need to do from there is just hit customer service representative. And they have part-time and full-time positions available for this. This one pays $13 an hour. Again, the equipment's going to be handled for you. They do the training and everything for you, and it's all work from home agencies. The only thing that it looks like you might need to get for yourself is your own USB headset, which is, I mean, you can get that for like $10 or $12 off of Amazon or from a digital store or something of that nature. But Alorca, again, is a great company to work for, especially when it comes to helping people and just doing, general customer service type stuff. Now, the next company on our list, number 4, is StrideLearning.com. Now, Stride is kind of like a Udemy or a Skillshare, a place where you can go where you can learn almost any skill that you actually want to learn. They hire a lot of teachers. They hire a lot of people who are just experts in their fields. But the cool part about it is that these jobs on average, I'll scroll down right here by the numbers, $87,500 average compensation rate among the 2020 Galvanized Data Science Bootcamp graduates. So if you were to get a job here, chances are you're going to get an average of $87,000 for doing what it is you already naturally do. So being able to find teaching opportunities online with people who want to learn what it is you have to teach is awesome. So in order to find some of these positions, at the top right-hand corner, you're going to click on Careers. And we're going to scroll down and we have events and opportunities, but we're going to keep going to teaching, academic support opportunities. And then here the trick is right under company location, we're going to click the drop down box and you can click virtual. There's a few other virtual teacher positions here that you can click on, but we're just going to click virtual. And scroll down, we have a customer support trainer, but then we have a national science teacher. We have a national middle school English teacher, elementary school teachers. So you see, it's a wide range. Another English teacher, computer science teacher, physical education teacher, health science teacher, and these are all remote opportunities. That is StrideLearning.com. Again, I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description if you want to go and check that one out. Number 3 on our list is Brafton.com. Now, Brafton is a content marketing agency. So they can take the content or the content creation aspect of your business. So if you write blogs, if you create websites, if you do YouTube videos, podcasts, or whatever, they can take the content creation section of that and do it for you as a business so that you can spend more time working on other things. So that's usually what they promote to their clients. But then if you would like to get a job as a content creator for other companies, they can give you the tools that you need and the clients that you would like in order to create content for them and make some money for yourself as well. So in order to find the opportunities to create content for these different companies that are contracted out with the Brafton agency, I'm going to be honest, when I was on this front page, I had a hard time finding where the careers part of this was, so I could not find it. So what I found that was better is if you just Google Brafton and their company pops up right here, and then click on careers, and then you can click on view open positions. And right down here. So this is the account management section, but we're going to scroll down to the editorial part. So we have content writer, content manager, remote content writer, editorial content manager. Just a couple of options right here. Let's maybe zoom in to make this a little easier to look at. So if you are a writer at all, you can use this as an opportunity to create content for people who contract out with Brafton, with the Brafton company. They have definitely some other remote opportunities here in project management, human resources, but the ones that doesn't need a lot of experience would be the content writing as well as the graphic designs. So Brafton, another great company where you can go and get some really good paying jobs just by working from home. So number 2 on our list is a favorite company of mine, and that's called AHA. So AHA, aside from having just an amazing name, the website is aha.io. Again, I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description so that you can check it out. But it's a project management program. So let's go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to find careers. and they're going to view current openings. And here I hit work from anywhere and be happy. So you see, again, they're pushing the work from home opportunities that are available here. And we're just going to look at the customer success. We have customer success specialists, and we can see this is available in North America, South America, the United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia, South Africa. A lot of really cool places. Wherever you happen to be in the world, you should be able to find AHA as a great place to be a customer service specialist. Again, probably being bilingual would be helpful for this as well. Now, the number one place on our list is called TopTool.com. So TopTool is not at the top here. TopTool is a freelance agency company. So if you are a freelancer, if you do anything specific, like maybe you create content, maybe you edit videos, maybe you can be an administrative assistant or whatever it happens to be, you can be hired to do this job for the host of companies that go to TopTool to find this top talent. And they are trusted by a lot of really big companies. And you can see here, Airbnb, Bridgestone, Duolingo, USC, Shopify, just some huge companies that come here to find freelance work for the people who are there. So there's two ways in which you can get jobs here over at TopTool. One would be to be a freelancer and just apply and start looking for people are going to find you, kind of similar to an Upwork or a Fiverr or something of that nature. People will find you to hire you out to do specific things. But if you don't want to be a freelancer, or if you don't have any experience doing many things, you can work for TopTool directly and do some customer service work. So in order to do that, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. We're going to click on careers here in TopTool, click join our core team, and then let's go under business operations and client talent and support associate. This is their entry level position that they have here. And this just gives you a quick job description. As you can see, it's available in Asia, in Europe, in South America, and in the United States. So just scrolling down and look at some of the responsibilities. Provide support for clients and talent using several communication tools such as email, chat, phone. Effectively manage a high call volume and things like that. So a great entry-level position that doesn't require a lot of experience or an extensive educational background. So definitely TopTool.com. I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description for them as well. So a question that I get asked most often is, Chris, how do you make money? How are you able to work from home and not have to work the quote unquote 9-to-5 life that everyone is kind of stuck with doing nowadays? And that's a perfectly great question. And what I normally do is this right here. So go check out this video where I will walk you through step by step the simplest way that I'm able to make money online.